Welcome to Module 2, everyone. In this module, we're going to discuss manual spying. Now, what is manual spying? And what is spying in general? So when you're building out your affiliate marketing campaigns, it's called competitive intelligence. Why do we want to do this? What is it? What's that mumbo jumbo? So what that is essentially we spy on competitors. We go to Facebook, we go to Bing, and we see what's already working. When we're choosing our affiliate offers, we want to choose an evergreen product that we also want to see what our competitors are doing. So for example, if there's 10 people promoting a dog training offer, I want to know what each of those 10 people are doing, but I also want to know what landing pages they're using. I want to know what their traffic source is. I want to know what their ad copy is. So in this module, we're going to be going through step by step on exactly how I spy through all the networks on all the affiliates. And this is very crucial. Whenever you set up your affiliate marketing campaigns, whether you're promoting a lead generation offer or promoting a cost per sale offer, you have to know what your competitors are doing whenever you choose a product. If not, it's like throwing darts with a blindfold on your eyes. You have to see what everybody's doing, so then you can make the best landing pages, the best ads possible moving forward into the future modules. So we're going to be building a swipe file, and that's exactly what I want you to do in this module. So be ready to take down notes.